self-paced learning course and e-material creation in the LMS module. Now let's see how to create a self-paced learning course and an e-material. Let's start with the first option on how to create a self-paced learning course. In order to do that, navigate to the LMS module, My Courses, click on Add Course, give a name, select the type as self-paced learning, and then click on Create. So the steps to create a self-paced learning course is same as that for creating a blended learning course. But the only difference is when you're creating a self-paced learning course, you will not have an option to create batch and you will not have an option to create a session, because these two features are very specific to a blended learning course. So when you go to modules, let's add a module. And to this module, the options that you see here remains the same, except for the fact you don't see an option to create a session. This is the first difference. The next one is when you go to settings, we do have different course settings, but you will not find a setting called manage batches, because in case of a self-paced learning course, you will not be creating different batch. So the only difference is creating a session and creating a batch. The rest all option remains same as that of a blended learning course. So once you have added all the modules and done with all the settings, you can click on Publish so that all the applicable employees will receive an email notification so that they can start enrolling to this particular self-paced learning course. Now we'll see on how to create an e-material in the system. To do that, we'll again go back to the LMS module, My Courses, click on Add Course, enter the course name. In this case, we will be selecting the type as e-material. Click on Create. So the options remains the same. Few options are same, that is the overview part, where you can edit the overview section of this particular e-material course. You can create modules, but when it comes to a module, you can only add files, links and content, because e-material is just about uploading the resource materials. So you cannot have assignments, online test, offline test. These options will not be available. So you can add a module, enter the module name, submit. Once this is done, you will have an option to add a file, a link and a content relevant to this specific module. You cannot create an assessment or any kind of online or offline test with respect to an e-material. And once the modules are created, you can visit the course settings. So click on the three dotted lines, go to settings. You have only two different types of settings, that is basic settings and branding, because again, you're not going to add permissions or you're not going to add manager's evaluation. This is just about adding resources in the system. So once these two options are defined, you can publish this course to your employees. So whenever you're creating an e-material in the LMS module, it is automatically available to all users in your organization. You cannot limit an e-material to a specific group of people. So once you're done with updating the modules and defining the settings, your users will have an option to refer to all the materials that you have uploaded as a part of e-material. This is about creating a self-paced learning course and an e-material in the LMS module of Zoho People.